Hi, Jim Sakin from KSTHL Labels. So today is Saturday, but I'm working still today because there still with some work needed to do, some email needed to reply to customers. Today I want to talk about always the customer with one questions, same question. So. If there is some minimum quantity order, MOQ for the order, actually, so for the warm labels or pages or embroidered labels, so there have no the MOQ. But if your order quantity is too much small, so we just asking some the charge by model. Model, if we develop the model needed to charge, and if we make out the samples, so that's the cost also. But if for the samples, so that's we did not ask any charge from customers. If you cooperation with us long time, but if some new customers or if your sample is not too much, so we will make the samples by free too. But if the samples too, the style is too much, so we needed to ask some charge. Or if your order, if your order the quantity is too small, like 100 pieces, 200 pieces, so we just asking the sample charge. We can't quote the price depending on the unit price. Just so if you need it, if you need it 200 pieces labels, so how much that's just depend on the model charge. Thank you. Bye bye.